What's up everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to HD Tech. Guys, in this particular video, I'm going to be talking about my new backpack. Well guys, for every single tech YouTuber, having a tech bag is pretty much mandatory. So this is a backpack by the company Air. So they were very kind enough to send me a review unit. And well guys, for me personally, I'm going to be using it for all of the basic things. Well guys, see, suppose if I'm going outside to record any videos, then I need few basic necessities. Like in this backpack, I'm having my own gimbal, so because of which I can easily connect my smartphone and later on get the best quality out of it. And guys, every single aspect about this particular backpack is completely next level. Well guys, first of all, this is made up of very nice quality. Well, it is of course weatherproof. Suppose if you go in a rainy season, still your backpack will protect all of your gadgets. And guys, other than that, it is having a compartment for your laptop, it is having compartment for your power bank, for your lightning cable, or basically every single electronic gadget. Well, this particular variant is not having any space for the DSLR cameras, but other than that, for every single normal user, this backpack is completely next level. Well guys, see, there are small little refinements, like on the top of it, you're getting a small little compartment where you can keep your smartphone, and especially this particular compartment is a very soft material. So combining all of the factors together, this particular Tech Pack 2 is a very nice alternative. Well guys, see, for every single tech person, carrying all of the electronic items is very much essential. For my personal usage, I like to carry a small Gorilla Pod, I like to carry my gimbal, my AirPods, my memory card and my power bank. These are only the things right now, but later on I will start carrying my laptop, and slowly and gradually this entire backpack will come in overall usage. But well guys, see, like at the end of the day, this particular product is only a backpack. Well guys, the whole and sole reason of a good quality backpack is to make your life easier. Let that be a flagship level smartphone, a flagship level backpack, or any other product which is in the top of the category. Well guys, see, for any content creator, carrying all of their equipment wherever they go is the number one priority. Suppose with like this kind of tech bag, you can comfortably put all of your precious electronic items and be tension free. Well guys, it can easily survive couple of drops if you drop your bag. Other than that, if you go in a rainy season, still all of the electronic items are in a great shape and in great condition. So guys, overall, by investing in a good quality backpack, it is actually a peace of mind that your all of the electronic items will be in the fit and fine condition, and that's the biggest reason. Well guys, see, they are having variety of tech bags. The company Air is having various ranges of their backpacks, but this particular Tech Pack 2 is completely designed for all of the technology users. Well guys, with this particular video, I only want to say, like, this particular tech bag is my new favorite bag, and I can clearly tell you that from today onwards, I'm going to be using this wherever I go. And this is also awareness factor that if you're using all of the precious electronic items, then investing behind a good quality bag is the number one priority. Well guys, by no means they have sponsored this video. They were very kind enough to send me a sample unit. Well guys, I hope that this particular video was little bit helpful, and guys, I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.